Hi, my name is Anna Hinojosa, and this is my biofuel project over ethanol. So, how is ethanol produced and cultivated? First of all, ethanol is a renewable resource fuel made from many plant materials known as biomass. It is highly flammable. Most of the fuel ethanol produced around the world is made by fermenting the sugar and the starches of grains such as corn, sorghum, and barley, and the sugars in sugarcane and sugar beets, and microorganisms such as bacteria metabolize plant sugars. So here is an image of how the process of ethanol production. So it is grown by taking dried out plant sugars or and starches and taking it to a milling facility where they take out the moisture and liquefy it. After they allowed the mixture to ferment, which is where ethanol is mainly produced, it is taken to ethanol storage, and after that it's being put on the market to sold to consumers. Ethanol development status. The United States is the world's largest production of ethanol, having produced over 15 billion gallons in 2021. Most of US ethanol plants are concentrated in the Midwest, but gasoline consumption is highest along the East and West Coast. Ethanol economic impact and carbon footprint. Ethanol emits 4% less per gallon of emission than gasoline. It is estimated to increase in production globally by 2025. However, the US doesn't really benefit much from this because we don't have a large scale of corn production. And ethanol production creates jobs in rural areas where employment opportunities are needed. Communicating the use of biofuel to the public. So the public usually hears about ethanol production and politics when discussing more environment-friendly fuel options as far as global warming and climate change, like in campaigns, and organizations promote their public policy in relation to ethanol. The personal analysis and recommendation. Having an analysis, the U.S. doesn't really benefit much from ethanol production. It's a cleaner agent to use in the environment compared to gasoline. And if the US continues to produce ethanol, my recommendation would be to find more environment-friendly ways to produce it and find more crops or biomass. Plan of action, it would be to expand corn production. And because of this, we'd have to find more environment-friendly pesticides and test for other sugary crops that can be used for production. As stated before, find more eco-friendly ways to produce ethanol. And researchers have found that testing water in the process would make ethanol production easier. So that would be another plan of action. And these are my citations that I used for my presentation. Thank you.